Hello guys, and I'm back, and today I'm doing a Lego minifigure vending machine lock. This takes money, Lego bricks, and a Lego person. So you get a coin, put it in here.
Here's my invitation of him. I'm sorry, Chris, I just had to.
Do this. Push. Let's get him. No, whatever. Black screen.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
I failed. I didn't even get the character down. But
Chris, congratulations, you failed.
I did it. The coin wasn't supposed to be there, but it worked. It works. I can't do a how to build. That's gonna take too long.
Yeah, we'd have to work over a couple times.
And then you take the roof off.
Does ever happen?
I'll show you the inside. So this is the coin holder. 5 coins should fit in there. You make the Lego figure duck so he fits on this. We got the thing that will push it. I'll pick that back up. And I don't know how long it took me. It probably took me an hour.
It took him a while, guys, so, yeah.
It's not like the other one. This is a Lego minifigure vending machine. Not like the candy ones a bunch of people make.
Especially kids on our street.
Yeah, like two. A jerk. That I'm not gonna say the name.
Yeah, we have a jerk.
And Joey's friend Jason, who was in one video, but that was an auto Slenderman video.
Yeah, but we also know someone else, Jake. I'm friends with.
Jake, we're not talking about Jake. We're talking about Jason.
Yeah, and Jake. Jake also did one. He did multiple ones, like one miniature, one other.
Do you see any of them? So it's easy to build. Well, actually, it's not easy to build.
Well, it's not too easy. If you have like a pan all built out, then it is.
And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, that was sad.
3 minutes.